Hello and welcome everyone. This is Elecrama 2023 and we are at the stall of Elmeasure. So today we are having with us Mr. Babu who will be giving us insight about this product which is power quality meter.
Yes.
So
yes.
sir, can you please elaborate on this product and its applications?
Okay. Now these are called power quality meters or a Class A meter. First time in India, somebody is making a power quality meter or a Class A meter with a high specification like 1024 samples per cycle, 127th level of harmonics measurement of odd, even and interharmonics. All this is available in this particular product. It's a cap-touch solution, easy to navigate it, and that's the power of this. The first time in India, somebody is manufacturing in India.
That's really amazing, sir. So I was having conversation with Sam Cherian yesterday.
Okay.
So and I also took his thoughts on manufacturing all these products first time in India,
Okay.
which ultimately supporting the campaign Make in India.
You're right. You're right.
So what are your thoughts on the campaigns?
Now this is not the only one which is first time in India. I have several
Yes.
products which is displayed over there. You will find an IoT
Yes.
contactor, which is again a first time in India. You will find, if you were to buy from a normal contactors, 40 different variant I have to keep it to keep the customer happy. Whereas in one single product can actually configure all those on the field and make him use it. That's an advantage with an IoT contactor. It's not a contactor alone. Contactor come, metering inside with a lot of programmability, including the timers and counters.
And so talking about Elecrama, how are you seeing the response and what is the energy you're feeling?
The response very, very good. And I think out of all the years that I have participated from the last 18 years, this I would rate the best actually. Crowd is good, quality crowd, and always full.
It's great to know, sir. So, sir, I would like to take one message from you
Okay.
to the Indian manufacturing, units, to the Indian manufacturing domain in the electrical field, if you could give.
Okay. I would always say that innovation is the critical things. You need to keep innovating in the new product and new product. That makes you survive. And today, a lot of crowd happens to come over here purely because they come here and see a lot of innovative product from Elmeasure. Now that becomes a trend setting from our side.
That's great to know, sir. Thank you so much for giving us an beautiful insights from your stall and your timing. Thank you.
Thank you.